soybean harvest time. Who is ready? Woo! No, but in all seriousness, it is soybean harvest time. The combine is mostly ready. There's just a few things left to do. Tractor and wagon's ready to go. We just gotta set up the grain setup. Beans, we're gonna try them today, and we're gonna see if they're ready to go. It's gonna be fun. Then after that, we can get to this puppy right here, the Drago for corn. But yeah, stick along. This is gonna be a fun ride. You guys will enjoy it. It's go time. Let's get out to the field. All right, let's go. Warm day out, let's do this. And there she be, the combine. First pass. Road diesel. Fueling. Oh, they got some pretty nice bins out here. There's a truck taking off right there. So right now we're in the process of getting our stuff calibrated. So we're gonna get the moisture calibrated on this thing. I just got the moisture checking system from Ag Leader working, and then we took one full pass off. We're going to be taking a bunch more off, get all the ends off, get them in the wagon, and then we're going to go from there. So yeah, stick along, guys. So before we get too far into it, so we got 60 some to close to 70 acres here, more like 60 some acres, 65 round. I'm gonna round it to about 65 acres of soybeans. These things did experience the drought this year. All the crops around here did. But these things were saved by a late rain that came out and filled all the pods. They look good, moisture's good. So they're low enough moisture, we were just gonna start picking these away. So we're using the John Deere 653A row crop head. You've seen that many years already in my videos in the past. I have videos where I've talked about them before. Basically, it was a header made to harvest like milo and soybeans, but it wasn't like a platform reel header. It was designed more like a corn head style. It was a genius design, but it's also a fun thing to prank people with because people will think it's a corn head, even though it's not. But yeah, we're gonna harvest this and get them in the bin up at the farm right over there. So yeah. So we're gonna do a loaded shutdown of the thing, see how many beans he's leaving behind. So far, there's a bean, there's a bean, there's a bean. There's a few beans here, but we're still getting stuff set. But yeah, another pass. These beans are looking great. Here's pod off of one of them. They just crinkle like that. They just crumble up. But yeah. Yep. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is part one of several parts. There's a lot more beans to harvest, and this is only the first day getting stuff ready. But yeah, see you in the next one. God bless.